Hi everyone, I'm Honda from Mokidator. Today I would like to introduce you how to create a white for Pro1050. White toner unique to Pro1050 will be very helpful to create more customized, more unique labels you like. High density of white will be useful to print on colored media or transparency film. First of all, I guess there are some people who don't want to spend time to create white manually. As I've already introduced in how to print with Pro1050 video, you can select how you like to put from pre-programmed options on a printer driver. Taking advantage of this function, you can print with white without any edits on data. Let me show some pre-programmed option. Do not use it as a default option, simply say no white toner with this option. Full page, it means fill entire page with white toner and put a color image on the top of white. Data portion excluding white. That means fill the portion of cmyk data with white excluding cmyk zero density portion and put cmyk on it. If you put more than zero density of some color, white will be printed underneath. Data portion including white means fill the portion of any density of cmyk data with white. Even if you put cmyk 0 object, white will be put underneath. Printing only spot color toner means converting all cmyk data to white toner and print with only white like monochrome printing. Then, now application specification is the option to print with cmyk+white in accordance with your data created manually. Especially, this is a way to customize white. So from now, I will show you how to create white. Before introduction, Adobe Illustrator is required. I will create the customized wine label with white on this video. Firstly, please create objects to be filled with white. We don't care about the display color. Now preliminary colored with magenta. Then, let's create spot color from swatch window. Before spot color creating, please convert any other spot color like Pantone to process color. Otherwise, white may not be printed correctly. Spot color name is fixed. Spot color underbar white. And the color type should be spot color. Spot color underscore white. A capital letter and small letter are fixed. For example, just white or blanc in French, blanco in Spanish are not available. Pro1050 can recognize only spot color underscore white. Again, you don't have to care about the displayed color. Please set up any color for spot color white. Otherwise, if you put cmyk 0 density, operation should be very difficult because it is invisible on monitor screen. Then, fill object with spot color white. Okay. Then next is a white object should be overprinted. Especially if you wanted to print color on white, this is needed to print both of cmyk and of white. So from window, attributes, you can overprint all objects to be filled with white. If you like to double check how the image will be printed with white, you can check easily from Overprint preview. Like this. The final step is printing. If you want to print directly from Illustrator, please change advanced setting. then overprints as a simulate. Then you will change the driver setting. Then make white as an application specification on a color tab. Then you're ready to print. Not only Illustrator data, but also PDF data created from Illustrator is available to print with white. Thanks for watching this video. I would be appreciated if you like this.